Monopoly Go review. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see whether you should play Monopoly Go or not. So in this game you might feel that it's quite random and when you click on this option of Go you get different numbers and you land up on a different or random positions, but this is not the case. All these things might seem random but they are all planned in this game. Even the different objects, like when you land up on these options of railroad or short line, you basically always get the same results whether you start from the beginning or you have been playing quite a while now. So if you are restarting this particular game, then the results might be similar as you have done before, but some changes in your strategy might make a big difference. Like if you just collect the money and spend in one go, then you might progress faster in this particular game. So what people usually do is that they just roll the dice, get on different positions and earn the money. But this way they just go on the build section and start building the different monuments. Like I just built this one, so it gets to just one level, but this way you would be inviting different people to attack on you and you might just end up repairing your monuments again and again. So it's better to just hold on and collect all the money and upgrade all these monuments in one go. So this way you would be able to save money and also your time and efforts. And in case if you are playing with friends or you have befriended people from the leaderboards, then they might be attacking you again and again and it might get annoying after a point of time. So just befriend them. So if you want to just play it for time pass, then you might just go for it and play it. But if you are looking for fun, then this might not be fun after a point of time, as it takes a while to collect the dice and it might also take forever in order to collect the dice. You might just end up waiting and getting nothing from this particular game. So it's all up to you. If you are playing for the first time, then this might be fun for you. I hope this video was helpful to help you make a decision. If so, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.